In another tutorial, we talk a little bit more about how to use Zoom. If you're not familiarized with this specific tutorial, we have the link of that specific video in the description below. So we can further go ahead and look out for how we can actually share our screen into an actual meeting. To get started, the first thing I wanted to do is to have access to the actual Zoom. So here I wanted to host an actual meeting. I will end this actual meeting so I can start a new one. Inside here, I will be looking for the element that says new meeting. Now that we are inside the Zoom workspace, it will be now having me access directly into the Zoom meeting. So if you focus down here, we can see that we have the audio enabled and the video enabled. I will disable this for now because I wanted to go straight directly into the show section. Now I'm going to focus into the element that says show. When I click directly here into show, it will be now having access directly from the entire screen or in a specific application window. Let's go for the element that says desktop. Here in the share options, you can enable to share the sound, to optimize for the video sharing, and to share the Zoom windows. Sometimes when I click directly into share, it will be telling you that you need to grant the access to open the system settings. So I'm going to choose the option that says open system settings. And here I will be labeling everything from Zoom so they can be having access to my screen and my system and audio. I'm going to do this later and close this now. Now I'm going to try this once again and I'm going to go for the element that says show. Just like that, now the actual Zoom will be now having access into what appears to be my actual desktop elements. So as you can see, into the upper side, you can enable more stuff into my share section. For example, annotate stuff, or what you can do is to even draw inside your actual sections. Basically here, if your presentation includes audio like a video clip, you make sure to look at the bottom left corner of this pop-up window because sometimes people are not sharing the actual audio. So into my share, you can always focus for share settings. So your screen is now visible to everyone into the meeting, and you will be noticing a green frame around the edge of the area of your sharing to confirm that everything inside this area is live. So when you're completely finished sharing and want to return to the novel video meeting, just click into this element that says share once again. And here I will be now stop sharing. There you go. So we are actually good to go. If you have any questions, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.